I just don't get it. They complain, but they don't change. They can't stand it, but they settle for it. They say they hate where they are, yet they stay there in the same place, the same life, same crew, same bar. They want to be successful, yet they hate on the successful. They want success, they want fame, but they aren't willing to get in the game. Not even have a crack, not even try. I don't get it. Why? They say they want to make it big. Well, you do the same thing day in, day out. You get the same results on repeat. That's not my 2 cents, just common sense. You want big change? Take big action. Take massive action. Make some big calls. It may require a move. It may require a new crew. Are you willing to sacrifice? Willing to push through? Why would you settle for less than you can be? For less than your potential? For less than your worth? Why wouldn't you take a risk? Who cares if you fail once? You are failing by default by not trying. You're not even living. You're dying. You're dying a little more every day. Because deep down inside, you gave up on that dream. That knowing that you deserve it. Knowing you deserve every bit. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. That's what makes it worthwhile. It's that moment in your life when you can truly say, look at me. I made it. I never gave up. I believed in me when no one else did. I'm in charge of my life. I'm the captain of my ship, the director of my dreams. It's that moment of pride, that moment when you know, without a doubt, that you made this. You are the creator. It's that moment of realization that anything is possible. There's no such thing as impossible. If you believe it, you can achieve it. I just don't understand why they won't try. They are willing to go to the end, the living dead, just waiting to die. They say you only live once, but if you do it right once, it's enough. How true is that? Seems not many are listening. Seems not many are paying attention. They should start paying attention because one day it might be too late. One day they may meet their fate. I couldn't think of anything worse than not trying to reach my full potential, to squeeze every bit of life out. To know I tried, to know I lived before I died.